Are you looking for a 4-bedroom family home? Is outdoor entertaining your thing? And do you want to live in one of the coolest undiscovered neighbourhoods in Auckland? Well, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and welcome to 29 Finch Street, Western Springs. Discover the perfect blend of space, style and convenience in this thoughtfully designed 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. From the moment you step inside, you'll fall in love. The wonderful character features, polished wood floors and the open plan design mean it's a home that's full of emotion. The heart of the home is its open plan living, kitchen and dining area, and this space is perfect for family gatherings or cozy nights in. Each of the bedrooms offers a tranquil retreat with generous storage and well thought out details to suit the whole family's needs. Outside, an entertainer's dream awaits. The covered deck features adjustable louvres, creates an adaptable outdoor space where you can enjoy alfresco dining and genuine year-round gatherings. Lush landscaping provides a private oasis which is ideal for kids to play or for quiet moments in nature. This area is supersized, and it means that no matter the weather in Auckland, like today, you can enjoy entertaining in this space. Situated in sought-after Western Springs, this home is moments from local parks, cafes and excellent schools. And with easy access to transport links, it's the best of suburban tranquility and city convenience. This is one of the best family homes that we've had on the market lately, so make sure you don't miss out. Come along on the weekend to the open homes or get in touch and we can arrange a private viewing.